everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today we have a brand new to my channel box. It is from TOPBOX. It's Canadian. It was $25 and it's, yes, I lost my train of thought because my dog's clicking around. It is a one-off subscription, so you don't have to sign up for multiple boxes. It just is September mystery box is what it's called. So it has got, I believe, 10 beauty samples. So let's see what's inside. All right, so this is how the box comes. And we have a little card. So it says, "Hey, gorgeous. We hope you enjoy this mystery box filled with some of our best hits of 2019. If you like this box, please feel free to email us at info@topbox.ca and send us your feedback. Thanks for your purchase." Well, that's a nice little card. So let's see what our first sample item is. So this is from the brand Laritzi Cosmetics. It's a shade stick, and I think it's Mahalo is the shade. I'm going to guess this is going to be filled with a lot of brands I'm not familiar with. So this is cruelty and paraben free. And that is what the packaging looks like. And it is a little bronzer stick. I never tried a bronzer stick before, so that might actually help me because I'm terrible at bronzing. I never blend it all the way, so I never wear it. But I'm excited to try this out. Okay, next sample is from, what is this? Masquerade. Oh, that's a cute company name. It's a sheet mask. Crystal clear mini sheet masks. 12 mini masks. So they brighten and clarify. What? I wonder how small they are. I kind of want to open it, but I know I can't. So I think that they are literally that size, and then you just pop them on. What do you think? Apply individual mini masks to the desired area of face and body and leave on for 10 to 20 minutes. Remove mini masks and massage any excess serum in the skin. So I'm going to actually give these a try to see what they're all about, but that's exciting. Okay, next item is from Chapstick. Hey, I recognize this brand. Total Hydration Conditioning Lip Scrub. So it exfoliates and smooths for soft, beautiful lips, made with naturally derived ingredients, and it is peppermint. Let's see how pepperminty it is. So that is what the packaging looks like. Oh, it's nice and pepperminty. And yes, it feels granular, a little granular, so that'll be nice on the, oh, that feels nice. And the pepperminty is pleasant. Okay, next up we have from this brand, Believe in Truth Aqua Bomb Hydrating Toner. Got a little toner, cute, will come in handy. Next up, from Earth Safe, it is a hand and body wash. So natural fragrance. So it's Earth Safe Clean Consciously. I bet it smells very pungent. Oh no, it doesn't. Oh, it's got a nice light scent. That's good to have. All right, next up we've got a teeny tiny tube from Smashbox. Ooh. So this is the Faux Finish Foundation Primer, Pore Minimizing. Well, that's exciting. I'm going to be excited to try that out. Exciting is a very good word, and I use it a lot. I also use the word item too much. Sorry. Next up, another little squeezy tube from Pure Lease. Okay, so there's a lot of brands in here that are very popular. So this is the Watermelon Energizing 2-minute polishing peel. Gently resurfaces skin smoothing and boosts radiance for all skin types. So I'm excited to try that out. Excited, again, excited. I need to get a thesaurus and figure out another word for exciting. I'm trying to figure out different words for exciting. Don't have any. Okay, next up from What company? Brune Cosmetics. It is a nail polish. That's not something we get very often, and I guess the shade is 01. I'm exuberated to see what this might be. Oh, so that's a really nice, it's a pale pink. You can't really pick it up on the camera, but that's a nice neutral color. This will be very fun to try. Next up, from Glam Glow, is a Super Mud Clearing Treatment. So apply a thin layer to clean skin, leave on for 5 to 20 minutes. Use as a full face mask or spot treatment. Well, I love a good face mask, so that won't go to waste. Okay, and the last thing we have is another Smashbox item. I said item again. A thing from Smashbox. It doesn't have a label on it. What do we think this is, Jason? A lip gloss? Perhaps?
Yeah, lip liner.
Lip liner. It's very sparkly. It's very red. I would say that that is a lip gloss. It's a little... Ooh. It's a little thick. I don't know if it has a smell. But at the bottom it says A77. But it doesn't really give any other indication to what this is. So I'm going to guess a lip gloss. Holy moly! Well, that is a nice festive red color. So we will be looking to try this maybe closer to December. But I don't think that's really an everyday shade. But it's pretty. Good coverage. Good coverage. So my sister-in-law is the one who found this box and said I should try it for my channel. And I'm actually pleasantly surprised. It's $25 Canadian and the shipping was covered. So you don't have to worry about exchange rate or those high shipping fees. So it was literally $25 plus tax. And it has some good stuff, like some name brand stuff in it. And so we'll pick our favorites. I mean, it doesn't tell us the price of any of the samples, and I don't know what the value of this box is supposed to be. But I'm not mad at it. So I'm gonna go with these little sheet masks. The nail polish, the Smashbox Photo Finish, the lip scrub, the Purlisse face treatment, the Glam Glow face treatment, the bronzer, and then this toner, and then the Smashbox lip gloss, and then this hand and body wash. Yeah. So I want to thank everyone for watching. As always, I really, really appreciate your continued support and all your love and all of your, comments, likes. Thank you. If you would like to subscribe, you can do that here, and you can watch more videos here and here. And as always, I hope you have a great day. Thank you for watching.